Good morning. It's still very cold where we are. We're still in the topic of drugs and alcohol and substance use disorders. And this is article I'm reading this time. Question says, what we don't know and why we need to fill this gap. Family and friends that are close to a person who has a substance use issue are in a prime position to understand and support the person. They are likely to observe the early signs such as increasingly frequent or heavier use and emotional, social, and physical impacts. Early help seeking can lessen the development of a chronic problem and reduce harm experience. And to better understand support needs and barriers to family and friends of those who use alcohol and other drugs, we need to identify their information and support needs and analyze how information and support services can communicate with friends and family members. And there is a place to go to, a place to call to explore these issues. The Alcohol and Drug Foundation Commission a Needs Assessment Survey. This report highlights the survey findings. Seek help while you can. Don't wait too long. When you notice a friend is changing, when you notice a family member is changing, seek help immediately. Seek help for yourself as well.